Welcome to my propagation environment. It's very loud here on my porch. We've got shelves of plants, my wonderful propagules that I've collected. Got some empty space for another shelf here. That's where I'm gonna put the new plant shelf. I'm gonna go inside where it's more quiet to do the official unboxing to show everything. Okay, now we're inside where it's a little more quieter in my kitchen. Here's the box. I haven't looked in it yet. I saved the reaction video for my lovely viewers. Okay, I'm opening it. All right, so we got a lot of fun stuff in here. A lot going on. We've got rooting hormone, very important. Plant pots. Should I hold them up to the camera like a makeup guru? Plant pots. We've got 6 different pots. We've got nice little trays for propagating. Ooh, we've got live plants. Let's see how they're doing. This has got to be the philodendron. I'll put that in some water as soon as possible. What is this? I don't know what this is. At first I was like, an onion. It's not an onion. I don't know. Some kind of bulb. I know what onions are. Another mysterious bulb. Makeup guru style. Another one. Ooh, and then we've got little succulent pieces in here. Get them all out. Ooh, this one already has roots on it, so that's fun. I think I might have some of this already on my porch, I'm not sure. I've got a lot of different succulents out there. And we've got lots of little leaves. So that's fun. I think this must be a kind of ghost succulent maybe. That's cool. So there's that. We've got tags for labeling the plants. Ooh, very fancy pruners. I'm excited to have these instead of using kitchen scissors. We have got the potting mix, Pro Mix HP. I'm excited to actually have potting mix because I plant plants all the time in my apartment, but I just chaotically dig up like the mulch and sandy dirt outside instead of using actual potting mix, and it does not make my plants happy. So glad to have this. We've got, I think this is perlite and this is vermiculite. If I've been paying attention in my lectures, hopefully that's right. Comment down below if I'm wrong. Ooh, are these seeds? Let's see. Mysterious. B. Oh. So lettuce. Are we making a BLT? We would not have bacon seeds. K, A, V, C, O, P, A. Hibiscus. Cool. Well, I'm excited. Razor blade. Pipe cleaner for holding down propagules, a stake, and a Sharpie. So that's all my materials. I'll give an overview. Got a lot of stuff going on here. So yeah, that's my unboxing video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.